I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming the controller uses a USB cable. Wireless won't wake safe mode reliably. Power the PS4 fully off and wait about 30 seconds so capacitors discharge. This prevents incomplete boots. Once done, press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. This signals safe mode. You'll see a menu with options. Don't pick anything yet. Make sure the controller is recognized by the system before proceeding, because input failures block the next steps. Now you'll choose tools in order of least destructive to most. First, try Update System software to patch boot errors. Use a USB with the official file, or let the console download it. This fixes many firmware glitches. If that doesn't help, choose Rebuild Database to repair file indexing and corrupted entries. It takes time but preserves games and saves. Only when those fail should you consider Initialize, because it wipes user data. Back up to cloud or USB before doing that. Finish by selecting Restart PS4 and watch the normal boot sequence. This confirms the repair worked. If the console still loops into safe mode, make sure you test an alternate controller and USB cable, and try a full power cycle including unplugging the outlet for 1 minute. This rules out simple hardware or power issues. If safe mode persists despite updates, rebuilds, and testing, consider swapping the hard drive or contacting Sony support, because persistent firmware or drive failures often need hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.